Hi everyone, today, we are going to learn how to use Power BI Desktop. Power BI Desktop application is kind of the companion app that goes with Power BI that allows you to design solutions that you'll eventually publish to the cloud to be able to share your results or your work with others. After launching Power BI Desktop, there are specific aspects to be aware of and certain considerations to keep in mind. As you begin working within the tool, it's important to understand which areas require your attention. Beginning with the Get Data button, it's typically your first step when launching a new Power BI project. If you're creating a Power BI solution from scratch, you'll head to the Get Data button to establish connections with the data necessary for your report building process. While there might be occasional exceptions, as a general rule, Get Data is your initial destination when working within Power BI. Another button that often goes with it is the Transform Data button, where you'll go anytime you want to do any data manipulation or data cleansing to your solution. Also, the Transform Data button launches a tool known as Power Query, so when you select Transform Data, this is going to launch a tool called the Power Query Editor. These two buttons together tend to go along in this phase, called the Data Discovery phase. Power BI break down into 4 different phases. In this video, I'll explain phase 1, and in the next video, the other 3 phases. So, phase 1, which we'll talk about now, is the Data Discovery phase, sometimes also referred to as the Data Shaping phase. What we're doing inside of the Data Discovery phase is we're going to be connecting to data using the Get Data button, and then we're also going to be manipulating data or performing data cleansing steps, and that will be done underneath the Transform Data button. In the next video, we will delve into the other 3 phases.